What will you do if your roof starts leaking tomorrow? Discover smart ways to handle home expenses without stress. How to handle unexpected home expenses without financial stress. Life can be unpredictable, and sometimes your home can surprise you with sudden expenses. A broken water heater, a leaking roof, or a faulty refrigerator. These are just a few examples of unexpected problems that can cost a lot of money. If you're not ready, these surprise costs can bring financial stress. But the good news is, with a little planning and smart habits, you can manage these expenses without panic. In this video, we'll talk about how to handle unexpected home expenses without letting them affect your peace of mind. Start with an emergency fund. The most important step in preparing for surprise home costs is to build an emergency fund. This is a special amount of money that you save only for emergencies. Think of it as a safety net. If something breaks in your house, you won't have to borrow money or use a credit card if you have this fund. Start small. Even saving just $10 or $20 every week can add up over time. Aim to save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in a separate savings account that you don't touch unless it's a real emergency. Know what might go wrong. Understanding what can go wrong in your home helps you prepare better. If you own a house, things like plumbing, roofing, heating, and kitchen appliances can break suddenly. If you rent, you may still face costs for things like furniture, repairs that aren't covered by the landlord, or emergency travel. Make a list of the items in your home that are old or likely to break soon. Knowing what to expect makes it easier to plan ahead and avoid being caught off guard. Keep a monthly home maintenance budget. It's a smart idea to set aside a little money each month just for home care. This can include things like cleaning the air conditioner, checking for water leaks, or replacing filters. Small maintenance steps like these can stop bigger, more expensive problems later. Set a monthly budget, maybe $50 to $100, just for home maintenance. If you don't use it all in one month, save it for the next. Over time, you'll build up a small fund just for home care. Don't ignore small problems. Many homeowners make the mistake of ignoring small signs of trouble. A tiny water leak or a strange sound in the heater may seem small now, but if ignored, it can grow into a big problem. Fixing issues early usually costs much less. So, always keep an eye on your home and act quickly when you see something wrong. It's much cheaper to repair a small crack than to replace a whole wall or floor. Use budgeting tools or apps. In today's world, technology can help you stay on top of your money. There are many free and simple apps that help you track your spending. You can use these tools to set savings goals, track your emergency fund, and see how much you spend on home care. When you know where your money is going, it becomes easier to prepare for the future. Buy home warranty or insurance. Another way to reduce the stress of home expenses is to get home insurance or a home warranty plan. Home insurance usually covers major issues like fire, storm damage, or theft. A home warranty, on the other hand, can help cover the cost of fixing appliances or systems like plumbing and electrical. While these plans require a monthly or yearly fee, They can save you thousands when something big goes wrong. Learn basic DIY skills. Sometimes you don't need to call a professional for every small problem. Learning basic home repair skills can save you a lot of money. You can watch YouTube videos or take free classes online to learn how to fix a leaky tap, patch a small hole, or clean your gutters. These skills not only save money, but also give you confidence to deal with home issues on your own. Avoid using credit cards for emergencies. It's tempting to swipe your credit card when you need quick money for a home repair. But this can lead to more stress in the long run. High interest rates can turn a small expense into a large debt. If you don't have cash, try to use money from your emergency fund or ask for payment plans instead. Some repair companies offer options to pay in smaller amounts over time. Shop smart for repairs and replacements. When something breaks, don't rush to buy the first replacement you see. Compare prices online, look for discounts, and ask for second opinions. You might also find used or refurbished appliances that are much cheaper and still work well. For repairs, get at least 2 or 3 quotes before choosing a company. This helps you avoid getting overcharged and ensures you're getting the best deal. Create a home expense plan with your family. If you live with your spouse or family, talk openly about money. Make a home expense plan together. Decide how much to save each month for home repairs and who will handle what. Being on the same page helps avoid arguments and ensures that everyone works together to keep the home safe and stress-free. Stay calm during home emergencies. When something goes wrong at home, your first reaction might be to panic. But staying calm is important. Take a deep breath, assess the problem, and make a list of what needs to be done. If water is leaking, turn off the main valve. If electricity is out, check the breaker. Knowing how to handle small home emergencies can prevent things from getting worse. Plan for bigger upgrades over time. Some home expenses are not emergencies, like a new roof, modern windows, or energy-saving appliances. These are upgrades you can plan for in advance. Start a separate savings plan just for bigger home improvements. That way, when the time comes, you're ready and don't have to borrow money or delay needed changes. Avoid financial stress by living within your means. One of the biggest reasons people face stress during home expenses is because they are already living at or above their income level. Try to live slightly below your means. This gives you more room to save for surprises. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions, reduce spending on non-essentials, and always have a plan for where your money goes. Talk to a financial advisor if needed. If home expenses are becoming too hard to handle, don't be afraid to ask for help. A financial advisor can help you create a plan, reduce debt, and find smart ways to manage your income. Many communities offer free or low-cost financial advice. Sometimes, just talking to someone with experience can give you the peace of mind you need. Unexpected home expenses can be stressful, but they don't have to be. By planning ahead, saving regularly, and staying alert to your home's condition, you can avoid financial panic. Small steps like building an emergency fund, fixing problems early, and budgeting wisely can make a big difference. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. Taking care of it with care, calm, and smart thinking will protect both your house and your happiness. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more smart financial advice. Your support helps us keep bringing valuable content to you.